Welcome to FITVII Gadget. In today's video, we're bringing you the top 5 best budget fitness trackers of 2023. If you're looking for an affordable way to track your health and fitness goals without compromising on features, you're in the right place. We've carefully selected these budget-friendly wearables that offer impressive functionality, stylish designs, and advanced tracking capabilities. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or simply want to stay on top of your well-being, these fitness trackers are sure to fit your lifestyle and budget. So, let's get started video. Number 1. The Fitbit Inspire 3 is an all-in-one fitness tracker that empowers you to lead a healthier, more active life. With features like daily readiness score, active zone minutes, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and automatic exercise tracking, it motivates you to move more. The device also focuses on stress reduction through wellness tracking, stress management score, mindfulness sessions, and irregular heart rhythm notifications. Additionally, it ensures better sleep with automatic sleep tracking and personalized sleep profile. The tracker keeps you connected with call, text, and app notifications, offers a colored touchscreen with customizable clock faces, and is water-resistant up to 50 meters. With up to 10-day battery life, it's a reliable companion day and night, and includes a 6-month premium membership for personalized insights and analytics. Premium terms apply. Number 2. The Amazfit Bip 3 Pro is a stylish and powerful smartwatch designed to enhance your lifestyle and well-being. Its 1.69-inch large and colorful HD display offers an immersive experience, displaying incoming texts and calls with clarity. The watch provides 50-plus watch faces and customizable widgets to suit your style, and it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, allowing worry-free swimming and water activities. With support for 4 satellite positioning systems, the Bip 3 Pro accurately tracks outdoor activities. Its long-lasting battery lasts up to 2 weeks with typical usage, making it convenient for travel. Health features include blood oxygen saturation measurement, continuous heart rate monitoring with alerts, stress level tracking, sleep monitoring, and menstrual period recording. For fitness enthusiasts, the watch offers 60-plus sports modes, providing detailed data for various activities. The Amazfit Bip 3 Pro seamlessly combines style, functionality, and health monitoring, making it an ideal companion for an active lifestyle. Number 3. The Fitbit Charge 5 is an advanced fitness and health tracker, offered as an exciting bundle with various accessories. The bundle includes the Fitbit Charge 5 tracker in black/graphite color, both small and large bands, a 3.3-foot USB charging cable, a wall adapter, screen protectors, and a quality cleaning cloth by Premgear. With the Charge 5, optimize your routine using daily readiness, a personalized score available through the included 6-month premium membership. This feature analyzes exercise, sleep, and heart rate variability, HRV, data to determine workout readiness and recovery needs. The device helps you find your calm with a daily stress management score and on-wrist EDA scan app for physical stress response measurement. The 6-month premium membership also provides expanded mindfulness tools and a detailed stress breakdown. Track wellness trends with metrics like SpO2, heart rate variability, and breathing rate. The premium membership offers health insights tailored to your body and mind, inspiring impact on your well-being. Number 4. The Xiaomi Mi Band 7, the latest innovation from the world's leading wearable brand, Xiaomi. With a 1.62-inch AMOLED display, featuring a high resolution of 192 by 490 and up to 500 nits brightness, it surpasses its predecessor, the Mi Band 6, in both size and quality. The Mi Band 7 stands out with an impressive 120 fitness modes, a significant upgrade from the Mi Band SIXS30 modes. Its battery capacity has been boosted to 180 mAh, offering up to 15 days of usage, and charging is quick with the magnetic snap-on charger. With a new blood oxygen sensor and 24 hours heart rate monitoring, It enables precise tracking of 120 different activities. The device also features improved sensor technology and Bluetooth 5.2 for seamless connectivity. Additionally, it comes equipped with various other features, making it a versatile and advanced wearable for a healthier lifestyle. Number 5. The FITVII Fitness Tracker is a feature-rich wearable that brings convenience and health monitoring to the next level. With new premium features, it allows Bluetooth calls and keeps you connected with phone notifications for texts and social media apps. Real-time monitoring of heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen levels ensures you stay up to date on your wellness. The watch tracks sleep patterns and offers 100+ workout modes for fitness enthusiasts. An AI voice assistant makes tasks like making calls and setting alarms effortless. Additional features include breath training, calendar, calculator, music player, weather forecast, and more. The smartwatch is compatible with Android smartphones and iPhones, and its battery life can last up to 7 to 10 days on a single charge, making it a reliable and efficient companion for everyday use. If you liked the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.